Hello, it is around 8 o'clock on November 4th, 2018, and welcome to this weather update. It was a very kind of warm day today, actually. I thought it would be a little cooler, but it wound up being warm, but plenty of sunshine and blue sky around. So it was a nice day to be outside at Farmingdale Airport. Right now it's 45 degrees. And we do have rain in the forecast, unfortunately, for Monday and Tuesday. We're going to talk about that. Let's talk about first what it hit today at Farmingdale. So it got up to 56 degrees. Now, the temperatures have dropped off much faster out east in the Pine Barrens. 34 degrees right now at West Hampton, so it's already dropped to 34. The minute the sun went down, you could feel in those certain types of areas it would just radiate away, calm winds, clear skies, and that's a perfect night for radiational cooling before the clouds move in. 55 was the high today at West Hampton. Let's take a look at our Big Brother Pine Barrens in New Jersey and see what they had today. So it's warmer there, 38 degrees, no surprise. And that's probably because the dew point is a little higher too at 37. And they got up to 58 degrees today. So let's take a look at the models and let's see what is going on today with the forecast for you. So we have this high pressure system moving away and the rain is going to be coming in. As you can see, we have one system moving through tomorrow and then another one that's going to be moving through on Tuesday with a cold front, and then that moves through, and then we have fair weather for Wednesday and Thursday before the rain re-enters the picture on Friday. It looks like a coastal storm develops, and then a nice weekend. You can see this high pressure coming down here right from Canada means cold weather and dry weather, so we will have some nice weather for the weekend into early next week. Plenty of nice weather to get to the Pine Barrens again, and by this time the colors will probably be gone by the end of the middle to the end of the month, and things will be looking and feeling a lot more like winter. So let's get a little closer and let's take a look at some of the mesoscale models, such as the NAM. This would be the 18Z NAM, highest resolution that we're going to is the 3 kilometer, so you can see exactly what's going to happen. So as we head into Monday, you can see, look at all this very heavy rain, and this is some really heavy rain. Looks like it's going right over Del Mar. There's some purples in here, so there could be some severe weather in here. It wouldn't surprise me at all. And this is because you'll see when we look at the dew points, you'll see that we have a very strong frontal boundary. So you can see this heavy rain. Looks like the worst of it stays just to the south. Looks like much of New Jersey gets hit, much of the southern half of New Jersey, including Ocean County, with some of this heavy rain. Could be some severe weather in there. And then it kind of falls apart a little bit as it hits our area. This is most of the day on Monday. It will be raining, and the worst of it's probably going to be in the late morning hours before it moves away. And then we get a little break, and then the next system comes with more heavy rain. And you can see here, this is going to be a very strong cold front. You can see a line of thunderstorms approaching Tuesday afternoon, which is election day. We don't need severe weather on election day. Hopefully we don't get any. But this is a very strong cold front that's going to be moving through. And then behind it, we clear out. So let's take a look and see what the dew point situation is. We're going to look at the dew points and see exactly why we're seeing this intense area of severe weather, and here is why. Look at all this. Looks like we have dew points approaching 70 degrees just offshore. So that's giving these storms the energy as the low forms right here, center low pressure, with all that rising air, creating some severe weather. And then for Tuesday, we have that that humidity get even closer. Could be some 70-degree dew points. Southern New Jersey. For the rest of us, probably low 60s dew points, and then that moves through and then it dries out. But I'm showing you the dew points so you can see the difference where the front is. I can also show you the temperatures too as well to show you exactly where that front is. And you can see, look, south of the front we could see some mid-70s, looks like some mid-70s perhaps into Delmarva, and maybe even 70 in Jersey, so it might even be 70 in parts of New Jersey, but fortunately not here. Fortunately, the worst of it stays to the south of us. Let's go back to the radar. I don't want to look at some of these other models. Let's take a look at the HDRPS. I'm only looking at the higher resolution models because it's important to be using the higher resolution models. Now this one doesn't go out that far, but I just want to see how it handles that system for tomorrow. Yeah, I don't think it's. I'm more in agreement with the Nam. I think that's going to hold together, and at least for Jersey, it weakens it too fast. We're going to see more rain than that. Yeah, I don't agree with that at all. Let's look at the RGM. See what the RGM has as we go into here. So yeah, RGM is a little more with the rain. But I think the NAM is actually, even though the NAM is the heaviest, I think the NAM has the most possibility of happening because lately these systems are overperforming because of the warmer than normal ocean temperatures um, and that all that extra humidity in the air that shouldn't be there. So let's go and let's look at the rainfall, and you could see as we go and we look at the first system for tomorrow, you could see it looks like there could be over 2 inches of rain plus in parts of New Jersey into Delmarva. For Long Island, probably over between 1 and 2 inches of rain will fall. And then the second system, which won't bring as much rain, that'll be more of a narrow line of storms. So this will definitely be something that we're going to have to watch. I'm going to go right back to the radar here. So we can see again what the first thing that we've got to worry about is, and that's this complex right here that looks pretty darn bad, as you can see here. So it looks pretty darn bad on here. Yes, this is something that we're going to have to watch out for. These look like some pretty heavy thunderstorms. The good news is they don't affect Long Island for the most part. I think Long Island will avoid it, but maybe the East End gets a little bit of it. But I think that southern New Jersey definitely could see some of these storms. So that's going to be it for this weather update. I'll keep you posted as this storm evolves. Thank you for watching.